Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to cover guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to remove lock screen password on Tecno mobile. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Tecno phone lock screen password, so friends, how to remove lock screen password in this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Tecno phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. Friends, click on Tecno mobile security setting. Friends, you want to start app lock, fingerprint lock, face lock, so you can start. So when we will click on screen lock, use your device pattern to continue. Friends, you have this pattern lock, you have your pin lock, so enter your pin lock password, enter your pin password. So friends, I have pattern, so when I will draw pattern. Friends, if you click none option, so your swipe lock will also remove, and friends direct you can off your screen and you can unlock your phone without swipe lock also. So when you want to use swipe lock on your device, friends click here. So when how to set swipe lock, open your phone setting, search option, screen lock. Friends click here screen lock setting, and friends click here screen lock, swipe option, and friends come back. Friends, you can see screen will not on direct. Friends, you will have to swipe, and friends you can unlock your Tecno mobile. So like that friends, we can remove lock screen password on Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to use your lock screen password, fingerprint lock, face lock. First friends, you will have to set lock screen. You want to use fingerprint lock, set your lock screen password. After set lock screen password friends, you can use your fingerprint face lock settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching.